I love this event. This is my third year. I think it's great not only that I get an opportunity to meet with the Oracle reps and talk with people from Oracle, we get to see what's coming up.
Edge is great. We get to, hear about the latest technology trends, see what's up and coming.
Edge has really helped us be able to get with our peers, network, talk about issues that are in the industry, talk about ways that we can solve them.
Is not only like hearing the roadmaps and what's coming and having those conversations, but the networking and the different conversations I'm having with everyone else that's in the same industry. It's not just an isolated problem that we're experiencing. Other GCs are experiencing it too, and what can we do collectively and collaboratively to address those issues and find ways around it.
Obviously, having some cutting edge conversation to talk about AI and some of the things on the roadmap of Oracle have been really beneficial.
And then when you come here and you see those roadmaps and you see the hard work that they're doing behind the scenes to continue to build out the product, I think it just makes it so much better. It makes you feel validated as a client to say, hey, they've listened and they see what's going on and they're up with the trends. These events are great and we love coming to them every chance we get.